Oh, I just like patted the lid and some of the dust got me. Ugh. It's a 2-minute Tuesday taste test. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel, Dream It, Make It. Today on the 2-minute Tuesday taste test, we're using Suckle Busters BAMM. Today, I'm gonna be using this on a pork butt. I'm gonna smoke this pork butt low and slow, about 225, all the way. I don't even know that I'm gonna wrap it, all the way, get that bark set just right, and then I'm gonna let it rest, shred it, make some sandwiches. But before I make those sandwiches, we're gonna get a taste of that money muscle with some bark on it. It's gonna be crazy good. Let's check it out. So I went ahead and seasoned the butt up. I put the butt on the smoker, and now it's running at 225. Once this is done, we'll get a taste. All right, so I went ahead and got the pork butt all shredded up, and here is the piece that I pulled out. That's my piece right there. Let's go ahead and get a bite with this bark, see what this seasoning's like. That is really, really good. The bark and the seasoning flavors is not as spicy as I thought. Like when you first start dumping that on there, I just started coughing like crazy because all the spices. But it is not that spicy. I mean, it's got a spice to it, but it's not like gonna make you cry or nothing. That is a really good seasoning. It's the first time I've used it on a pork butt, and I will definitely be using it on a pork butt in the future. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cook.